So if your iPhone is not charging and you're facing an issue with charging your iPhone, in this video I'm going to tell you exactly how you can fix that. So basically I'm going to tell you about 3 things that you can try out and your problem will be almost solved 100%. So if it is not a hardware issue. So first of all, the first thing you can do is to try a different cable or a different adapter, because there can be an issue with the charging brick or the cable that you're using. It may be damaged or something else, and you can also try and charge it with your computer, connecting the cable, so that you'll be able to find out if your charging brick is working fine or not. Now the second thing you can do is check out the charging port. If it is there should be no dust in it, it should be properly clean, and there should be no dust particles and anything like that in the charging port. And you can clean it with a normal something up for microfiber cloth, using the help of a matchstick or something like that. You can clean it. And the third thing that you can do is to restart your iPhone, reboot it, because it can be a software issue as well. And make sure that your iPhone is already up to date to the latest iOS version. So basically, after following these 3 steps, your problem will be solved. And if it's a hardware issue, then you will have to go to some repairing guy or something like that. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button below if it really supports the channel. And if you got stuck anywhere, let me know in the comments. I'll definitely help you out.